Have you ever been to public places where you're standing in line, you're waiting around, and you have nowhere to sit? Sure, you could bring some of those foldable chairs, but it's really awkward to carry around. Well, no more. Look at this. This thing is fantastic. Numanu makes incredible portable retractable seats. They are very portable. As you can see, you've got that little handle here. You can even take this whole thing out and actually restructure it so you can have it as a shoulder strap, which is fantastic. It's extremely light, but oh boy, is it sturdy, because you do have that padding right here, and it is plush, as you can see, very nice and rubbery, so super good for the bum. But then check this out. You literally will open it, set it up, and then it's done. It's literally done. 2 fingers right here on this side, 2 fingers on that side. You twist and close it, or twist the other way, and open it, and you are good to go. I can literally put my entire weight on this, and look at this, the perfect height. Sit, wait around. Imagine a line in those amusement parks. Perfect. This fits in a bag, or like I said, you can carry it around. Oh, I need to move? No problem. Grab it and literally close it and go. How cool is that? And it is super comfortable.